in the city. There's whiskey in my aching bones. Heaven only knows I can't keep up at all. Sleeping next to the phone, it's never pretty. Looks like you got the best of me, maybe the fool in me, but I'm waking up. All the time that you wasted, I was saving it all, running down a lonely road. Here we go again. Was it love we were making, or have you traded it all? Running in and out that door. Here we go again. Every stone that you throw was never worth it. I'm not the man I used to be, no, I could never be. Look how far I've come, from those rocky roads to rainy cities, back into the desert, then into the angel's den. Every place I've come on, all the time that you wasted, I was saving it all, running down a lonely road. Here we go again. Was it love we were making, or have you traded it all? Running in and out that door. Here we go. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, hey,
Oh, get out of the left lane, bitch.
Sorry.
Oh my god, they're in 2 lanes now as well.
I'm going 75 in the left lane. Is that okay?
Yeah. This idiot won't get over.
Yeah.
That was not a straight lane. I think Pennsylvania is the closest state that doesn't require front pads.
Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Don't have a stop sign, screw. You don't have a stop sign, screw. Go, fucking idiot.
Now. Another idiot. Fucking morons today. Yeah. Wait, cars have side window wipers?
No.
Oh.
Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Oh my god. Fucking personal space, bud. Okay, bud?
Yeah. Fucking Ranger. Fucking Ford Ranger.
about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Pushing the lines, my rhymes inclined to break your spine. They say that I'm so fine, you could never match my rhyme. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow.
Why the fuck is there just a cart in the middle of the aisle?
I don't know. This is why we need the cart arms. I thought I saw like an old station wagon in there, but it turned out to be a Dodge Durango.
Because I don't really have like a rain-proof warm jacket. I just have my sweatshirt.
I don't really have one like that either.
And then I just have my regular raincoat bag.
Yeah.
This creek buck. Oh my god. Why do people try and do that? It's just dumb. You really just go around the block and do it.